What is your name?
I'm Marlene Lobo from Polvaram.
Probably. What was your problem?
Uh, I've been suffering for the last 10 years of pain in my chest, and my neck also used to pain very badly. So I've been to a number of doctors, and I was told that it could be anything like muscular pain. So I was given this Evion 500, but during that course of those 10 tablets I was fine. Then back again the pain would start. Then I went to another doctor. He said you do an ECG to see if you have any heart this thing. That was clear. Then mammography was done. That was clear. Then I got fed up and I said forget it, I won't do anything. Then
Pain was very severe.
yeah, pain was very severe. I couldn't even wear a seat belt in the car to that extent. I couldn't sleep on that side. You know, I used to have those pains. I couldn't lift my shopping a little bit also. So, but anyway, I just carried on like that. For my back, I used to do some yoga or some exercise or something and carry on. Then, after recently, my husband had a pain in his back. So, he just happened to come here, and within the first course only, his back was okay. So, he says, why don't you go and check, see how it is. So, I came, I met Dr. Prabhu, and you know, and then he explained to me according to this picture how it is. So then he started the treatment, and in the first course itself my pain was, I was okay. But then he said never mind, you do another one. So I just did 2 courses and I'm fine. No pain, no aches, nothing. And
10 years you suffered.
I suffered for 10 years. And in a
Where
matter
actually pain was there?
the pain was here, the pain was here, and the side legs. And this, you know, it's to give that shooting pain like how you get for a heart pain.
Heartbeat, right.
So
it was unbearable pain.
Unbearable pain. But now I'm fine.
So that time when I was doing consulting, you were telling me sometimes it was like crying pain.
Yeah,
Am I
it was
right?
like, and here on my neck, it was like, you know, that, I don't know, I can't explain that, it was too much. But now I'm fine, I'm
Totally fit and fine. What do you want to tell people? Because
then another
people,
thing is that as doctor was doing this treatment on my left leg, the heel, not the heel but the full sole, it's to pain me very badly, I couldn't walk on it. So as I was telling doctor, he just put a few needles, I don't know what he did, some sort of magic, and in a matter of 4 days I'm fine. So I would like to tell the people that, you know, why don't you just come and try, have some faith in what is happening here, you know.
you have seen so many patients while
Many
you are
patients,
taking treatment. You have seen different cases handled here, and according to that, people, if they are coming at the end stage here, if they come in the starting condition, if doctors also recommend them in time, then we can do wonders for them. Because
Yeah, they come in the first stage itself. The treatment is faster, you feel better, even faster.
Yeah. Now one girl, now she is suffering quite long, 5 years, severe unbearable pain in the cervical. A student just around 18 years old or something. And now she is saying within 5 days she got relief, which she never thought that she will be so much normal. So now she is repenting that why I was suffering for 5 years and why I was not knowing about this center. So somebody should guide, then only people will know. And some people, you know, just think like what needle will do and this type of thing. But there should be that they should think over it, and instead of going here and there and trying so many things, try at least here also. Then you will get also result and you will be able to see what the result is. Am I right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What do you want to tell more?
Yeah, another thing is that when we come for the treatment during the break time, like, you know, doctor gives a lot of talks, you know, and he gives us knowledge, like deeper knowledge, not only of the sickness, but even of, you know, what we should have, our diet, how we should carry on. Like in the olden days, certain things were used. That's why people were more healthier. Whereas now, allopathic doctors say, oh, don't use this, don't have that, don't this thing. Those are the things that, you know, here we come to know that they are even
what is actually
better.
fact and how you
how
should
it
go
should
with the
go.
health.
So
Because we think of giving this type of knowledge because people, when they come with so many health problems, what our aim is not only cure that disorder, also our aim is to make him totally fit and future he should not have a health problem.
yeah,
So he should not come again as a patient, he should come as a friend only.
yeah.
So that is our aim actually.
So another thing is that here the place is so friendly. The nurses who are there, they are so, you know, very affectionate, very loving. Like they really look after you, including the doctors. So, you know, you feel as though you're at home itself. Like, you know, that homely atmosphere is there. And this talks which doctor gives us is helping us a lot, each one of us in a different way. It keeps us like, informed of what we should do, what we should not do, and all that.
So that makes actually what our aim is. When you are having this treatment, you should get lot of knowledge. And
about
when your relations are good and with your homely atmosphere, then you will not feel like pricks and treatment also.
Yeah.
So when you are coming here, then you feel like you will not feel 10 days to come. You feel when the 10 days will come.
Yeah.
Am I right?
That is right.
Yeah. So
another thing is that when they say needles, there's nothing to be afraid of. That the pain is nothing. It's just like a mosquito bite. To that extent, this thing is when they say, oh, so many needles are being pricked into me. It's nothing. It's not painful at all.
Yeah, people also get fear of the needles. Also. So that is also you have seen so many needles we are pricking you, but it doesn't pain.
Nothing. It doesn't. Of course, when you try to do hand this thing,
Hand work.
Yeah, you get that slight tremor, but that's it. But then after some time you realize that it's giving you a relief in your other system.
Because I am treating at least per day pricking around more than 5,000 needles. So the art is so much that my feelings of needle pricking, it doesn't feel at all. People simply get afraid of needle and then they try to avoid coming here and all. So and when they come and take pricks, then they feel nothing is there.
Yeah.
So that is also very important. Okay, thank you very much for
welcome, Doctor. I have to thank you for taking care of me for the time.
Okay.
God bless you and your family.
Okay, thank you very much.